What's up, freaks and geeks? Okay, today I've got one of my favorite boxes. It's the FabFitFun box. I love this box. I've had it for, I want to say like 2 years now. I started with the spring box, I think, and this is this month's spring box. So, let's open it up. And by the way, like, I can smell through the box. Something in here smells really good. And also, I'm really excited about what's inside, not just because every FabFitFun box is a good box, but I think they've put like the brands that are in this box on the outside, like Murad, which is skincare stuff, KNC Beauty, which I've never heard of, but I'm sure it's good. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, Coors or Chorus, which is another skincare brand. And then this one, leather. Some kind of leather. So I'm thinking like a coin purse or a wallet maybe? I don't know. But I'm excited. So let's open it up. And it says, hold on, before we open it up. Such a tease. It says, in support of Girl Rising. And I'm not sure what that is, but I kind of like the sound of it. And I'm sure that we will find out exactly what it is. So, here's our newsletter. And let's see. It does tell us everything that's in here, so that's why I don't really want to look at it right now. So after we look at everything, then we'll find out what Girl Rising is. Okay. Bum, bum, bum. Ugh. Okay, right away, this catches my eye. What is this? They're earrings. Those are cute. They kind of remind me of like a graduation cap with the tassels. Okay. Those are different. That's definitely different for me. That's not something that I would personally seek out, but they're cute. Okay, next we've got something from Ish. Lips Statement Palette. Ooh. Alright. I like to make a statement with my lips sometimes, as you can see. What kind of colors do we have? Oh. At first I was like, oh, that's a cool design. No, bitch, it ain't a design. It's the plastic that they put on there to protect the plastic. Okay, so there's like a lot of colors. Uh-huh. So I wonder if these are sheer or if they're like highly pigmented. Let's swatch one or two. Let's go for this red one. Bum, bum, bum. So that's what it looks like on the brush. Let's swatch it onto my dry skin. Okay, that's very pigmented. That is more pigmented than I was expecting. Because when you look at these, they look like they're going to come out sheer. And that is not sheer. That is beautiful. Hold up. I'm just going to touch up the red that I've already got. Hold on a second. Touch that shit up. That's cute. That is cute. And I totally should have looked at my lipstick before I started filming this because it was looking a little ratchet. Alright. Moving on. Rachel Pally. I've never heard of Rachel Pally. Okay, it's something, it's like a bag inside a bag. Oh, okay. That's interesting. So this is like canvas. This is like vinyl, I guess. I think there's a strap in here. Nope. Wait. What am I feeling? Oh. It's just the inside that I'm ripping apart. But okay, so there's like an inner pocket. That's what it looks like. So, like, is this considered a purse? Because I ain't got no strap. So I guess it's a clutch. Like, it's a fold-over clutch. But wouldn't the design go on the outside? Maybe? Maybe it's, you know, reversible. I don't know. Again, not something that I would, like, choose for myself. But it's cute. Okay. Moving on. Here's our item from Murad. Skin Perfecting Lotion. Yes, yes, I need to perfect all of this. Lightweight, oil-free moisturizer. Provides shine-free hydration for blemish-prone skin with honey extract. Oh, okay. Okay. Let's smell it. Because that's, like, important to me. Woo, okay. It does kind of smell like honey. It's very thin. So that'll probably be good for, like, not clogging your pores. It kind of smells like honey, but it kind of smells like something else. I'm not sure what. What are the other ingredients in here? There's a lot of ingredients. Oat. Okay. I don't know if I'm smelling oat. But alright. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna give this a try. What is this? Free people. Oh, this is the leather item. Hold up. A leather eye mask? That's kind of crazy. Ooh, oh, it's like, oh. It's like jelly. Do you take this out? Does this come out? Oh, it does. So you can refrigerate it or freeze it? Oh. Oh, that's awesome. And look how cute it is. Oh, there's my oven. Look at that cute design. Oh, that's cute. Oh, I love it. This comes out and you can freeze it. Oh, I like that. I'm excited. Okay. We've got more stuff in here. Hang on. Here's another little pouch and it's got lips. It's like lip camo. That's cute. That is cute. What is it? Oh, they're lip masks. Oh, how fun. Conditions, moisturizes, plumps, and hydrates. Oh. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. Nice. I think they're all the same. They look the same. These are from KNC Beauty. Yes. I'm excited. I've never tried a lip mask. And I love the little pouch. It's cute. I love bags. I love bags and pouches. Okay. Concealing Ridge Filler. Oh, for your nails. For your fingernails. Okay. I get my nails done. And these are not my natural nails. So I'll probably be giving this to somebody. So it just like fills in the ridges of your natural nails. Okay, cool beans. I won't be using it. There's like flying noodles everywhere. Okay, something from Dove. And this sounds delicious. Crushed macadamia and rice milk. Body polish. Ugh. That's a, oh, it's only like a, it's like a sample, so I can't smell it and then put it away for another time. Boo. Because that sounds delicious. Macadamia and rice milk. Alright, yeah, I am down with this because winter skin, it's very dry. Manhattan Beach. Ooh, is this a candle? I think it is. Let's open it up and find out instead of wondering about it. Yes, it's a... This is what I was smelling through the box. Oh, that smells good. Okay, I know you can't smell it, but so it's just like a white candle. And what are the scents in this? Oh, there we go. Bergamot, musk, white jasmine, Brazilian soft woods, citrus, and heliotrope. That smells so good. Oh, this would be so awesome when you're taking a bath. I'm excited. I love it. I am excited about that one. Okay, moving on. We've got something in here. So is this one of those, oh, it's a massage roller. I thought it was one of those, like, rolling push-up thingies. It's a massage roller. Okay. So, like, massage? I don't know. I don't know. Sure, we'll go with that. Alright, let's see what we've got. What is this girl rising business? Okay, right now there are 130 million girls missing from classrooms around the world. Girl Rising is a global campaign for girls' education and empowerment, working to change that. Through multimedia campaigns and on-the-ground programs, we change the way people think about and value girls and girls' education through storytelling, film, and other media. Focus on the power of community-led solutions, working with local partners. Measure our impact, including change of attitude and knowledge, confidence levels, actions taken, and school completion rates. Very cool. Okay. So, the value of this box is between $347 and $354.99, depending on the selection. So it looks like the earrings. So the jewelry item, you either got these earrings, and it looks like they also come in black. Okay, to be honest, if these were black, I would probably wear them. So you either get earrings or a love bracelet. And then, so there's a price difference there. And then the beauty item is you either get these lip masks or a Coors Guava Body Butter. And there's a 99-cent price difference on that. Okay. And I pay... How much do I pay for this? I want to say it's like $49.99. It's like, I think it's like $50 plus tax. And you get way more than $50 worth of product. Like, the only item I'm not going to use is this for sure. I may or may not give these a try. I don't know. Everything else I'm pretty sure I'm going to use. We'll give this a try. Why not? So, yeah. FabFitFun. It's my favorite box. I love it, I love it, I love it. And I wish I had an awesome coupon code to give you guys. But I don't have one because I'm lame. But I appreciate you watching this video anyways. And if you haven't signed up for FabFitFun and you like a variety of awesome objects delivered directly to your door every 3 months, approximately, every season, this is a box for you. So, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.